In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an item card to Excel in Monday.com. First, go to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board that contains the specific item you want to export. This is important because the export option for an item card is found inside the item itself, not from the general board view. After the board loads, find the item you want to work with and click on it. That will open the item card, where you can see the item's details, updates, and activity in one place. If you're managing tasks, projects, or client requests, this is useful when you want to save a record of that item's updates in a format you can review or share outside of monday.com. With the item card open, look for the three-dot menu. This is usually in the upper area of the item card and contains more actions related to that item. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Export Updates to Excel. As soon as you click that option, Monday.com will prepare the export so you can save the item's updates as an Excel file. This is especially helpful if you need to archive the conversation history, create a report, or send the update log to someone who doesn't use the platform. Next, when prompted, type in the file name you want to use. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you export multiple files from different boards or items. A simple naming style, like the item topic and date, can make your files easier to organize. After entering the file name, click Save. Once you do that, the download will begin, and your Excel file will be saved to your computer based on your browser's default download settings. Depending on your setup, you may either see the file download automatically or be asked where you want to save it. And that's it. You've successfully exported an item card's updates to Excel in Monday.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if the file doesn't seem to appear right away, check your Downloads folder first. Also, make sure you selected the correct item before exporting, since the export is tied to the item card you opened. Taking a second to confirm that can save you from downloading the wrong update history. That's all you need to do. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it in Excel and review the exported updates whenever you need.